Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam games now launching on your computer. So the first thing we want to do is go up to Steam, then go down to Settings, scroll on down to where it says Downloads. Select this, scroll on down under here, and go to Clear Download Cache. It says clearly download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So just click this and then go to Confirm. And then it's going to shut down Steam and then relaunch this. Now, another thing that you could do is go to search and type in Task Manager and open this up. And then we can look under the processes and we could close the game and then relaunch it. So your game might be trying to launch, but is kind of stuck. If you find it under this list for processes, and we can just select it and then we can cancel it out right here. We can just go to End Task and then we could try restarting the game. Now with Steam launched, we can go back to Library here, and then we can go to the game, right click on it, and we could try to uninstall the game. So go to Manage and go to Uninstall Game right here, and then just simply re-download it. And when you re-download it, you could try downloading it to a different hard drive. Maybe that's the issue. So I have two of them right here, Windows C and Y, both are SSDs, and I could just try installing it on my different hard drive. Now, the next thing that we can try is going back over to a game and then right click on it and go to Properties. Then scroll on down under here and we want to go to Installed Files. Simply just go to Verify Integrity of Game Files, and sometimes just doing this could help it work. Also, we can go to where it says Installed Files and go to Browse and select this, and it's going to open up the File Explorer, and just go to the Launch application and right click on it. And then we can go on down to where it says Properties, and that will be under Show More right here, and click on this. This little box will open up, go to Compatibility, and then we can run this in compatibility mode with Windows 7, Vista, etc. Otherwise, we can go to where it says Run this as Administrator, and then go to Apply. Also, we could try moving the install folder as well. It says select the drive you want to move it to, etc. And then you can just move it on over. Maybe there's an issue where you have installed. Also, if you do have some sort of like antivirus on your computer, make sure you're allowing access for the game. Otherwise, your antivirus could be blocking it from launching. So just look at that as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.